Hey, today we are going to map the Gambia. It is a very small Western African country which you must have already seen in news. This is the place where the sad incident of the deaths of 66 children due to drinking cough syrup manufactured by the Haryana based Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited happened. I'll tell you the details of the cough syrup poisoning a little later on. So, back to mapping. Gambia is bound on its three sides, which are the north, east, and south, by the country called Senegal. To its west side, there is the Atlantic coastline, that is, the Atlantic Ocean. The capital of the Gambia is Banjul. The Gambia also has a river in the same name, the Gambia River, which has a diverse ecosystem. Also, there is abundant wildlife present in the Kiang West National Park and the Bao Bolong Wildland Reserve. Just like any other tropical forest, the wildlife includes monkeys, leopards, hippos, hyenas, and many rare birds. You must have already heard the news that 66 children died there drinking cough syrups that were contaminated with diethylene glycol or DEG and ethylene glycol. Diethylene glycol or C4H10O3 is a sweet tasting, colorless, non odorous, hygroscopic liquid. Hygroscopic means it tends to absorb moisture from the air. And this liquid is usually used in commercial preparation of antifreeze, brake fluids, cigarettes, and some dyes. It's also an excellent solvent which is insoluble in water, but miraculously it's hygroscopic. Ethylene glycol has the chemical formula C2H6O2. This cough syrup poisoning occurs when the glycerin group in the cough syrup has been replaced with any of these two, diethylene glycol or ethylene glycol. The toxic effects of such a cough syrup can be abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, inability to pass urine, headache, altered mental state, or acute kidney injury. Here, it was diagnosed that the children died due to kidney failure. The WHO or WHO or the World Health Organization has marked out the Haryana based Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited as being linked to the deaths of these 66 children. Also, the CDSCO or the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, which is the apex or topmost drug regulator in India, has imposed a ban on this Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited. Earlier, this Haryana based Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited was banned in Kerala, and also Tamil Nadu too had earlier flagged it for its drugs being of substantial quality.